Today we are going to discuss the custom Bapi. Custom Bapi. Okay. Today we are going to discuss the custom Bapi. Okay. And see, before going to discuss about the custom Bapi, okay. Before going to discuss about the custom Bapi, I got two questions from your side. Okay. 1 second. I will open that. Today we are going to discuss the custom Bapi. Before going to discuss about the custom Bapi, okay. See, once again, here Prabhakar, one of the learner, Prabhakar, he asked the question. I saw his question early morning. Once again, in Telegram you can see that question. Yeah. He asked me, referring back to yesterday's class, can we see? He is asking, can we insert bank detail record directly into SAP table using update or insert statement without Bapi? That's a Prabhakar's question. Okay, actually he wants to insert the bank details. Yes, 100% you can. 100% you can insert it there. 100% you can insert or update. Okay, 100% you can insert or update the bank details without Bapi. But the brother here, the point is, see, you can use, first of all, you need to prefer the Bapi option. If there is no Bapi, then directly use the update function module. You can use directly update function module, or else you can use the Bapi. Okay, you can use it. And see, if I say honestly, okay, and if I say honestly, see, without Bapi, without function module, if you want to insert the data, there is a third option. Okay, see here, first one, brother. First option, okay, you can normally you can use the Bapi. Second option, you can use the direct function module. For your for your requirement, there will be a direct function module 100%. As per your requirement, there will be 100% direct function module, direct update function module. Direct update function module you can see. Okay, and third one, brother. You can use the queries in the programmatically. You can use the queries. Okay, that means insert query. You can use it. Insert query. You can use the insert query. For example, brother, see, insert database table. Any database table here. Okay, for example, DB table. Insert database table. Okay. We need to insert the data. We need to insert the data into the database table from internal table, brother. From internal table. Okay. From internal table. That means what? Whatever the records, whatever the data you have, all those records you are going to insert into the database table. You can use this one. And if I say honestly, my best suggestion, brother, please off that video. Stop the video. Please don't on the video, okay, because some people have the objection. Okay, they don't want to. Okay, so please stop the video. Don't use the audio option, video option. Okay, the next see here, and here the point is you can use this one. Okay, and one more thing is my best suggestion, you need to go Bapi, brother. Bapi will improve the performance of the application. Compare with the remaining options. Compare with the remaining option. Bapi will always increase the performance. That's enough. Okay, that's Prabhakar. Okay, I hope you are clear. Okay, next you see here. I'm going to open that custom Bapi. I'm going to open that custom Bapi. Yeah. See. Custom Bapi is very, very important. And one more guy asked the question, not only Prabhakar, and one more guy asked the question. Yesterday I faced that. That guy asked me, he faced the requirement. Now currently he's in requirement. Okay. That guy asked me, Anil Krishna. Okay, that guy asked me, see here, that guy asked me, Anil Krishna, I have a Mara table. I have a Mara table. That Mara table having the data. For example, it may have that 200 fields totally. But out of 200 fields, I need to display only 4 fields. I see, this is one of the guy asked the question yesterday. Okay, as per his requirement, as per his okay, according to his request, I'm going to teach the custom Bapi with his for him, which requirement he faced in his office. Actually, brother, you said you want to do this requirement tomorrow, right? You said. So it's very easy, brother. In today's class, I'm going to explain that requirement using the custom Bapi. Just follow it. Okay. And that guy said, Daniel Krishna, I have a Mara table. That Mara table having 200 fields in my table. Out of 200 fields, I need to display 4 fields only. And he sent the 4 fields also. You need to display the material number and material name and material type, created date. Okay. And something, okay. Yes, these 4 fields only. Okay. These 4 fields only, he said. Okay. These 4 fields, okay, that means his requirement is, for example, if you provide, for example, material number 100,000. Okay, he wants to provide the material number 1000 as an input. He wants to provide the material number 1000 as an input. If you provide the material number 1000, based on this material number, he needs to see the related information, material number 1000, and material name, for example, Rex, and material type something, and created date something. Okay, this is the requirement to see based on the, see, if here the point, for example, he wants to provide, okay, he wants to provide the material number as an input. Once he provides the material number input, okay, this material number is existed.